Hi, my name's Dylan. I'm with the PVA Med team, and I'm going to be showing you how to use your structure scanner. To start, I'm going to open up the structure scanner app and wait for the structure scanner to be sensed by the iPad. Picked up right away. If you ever have issues with the structure scanner not being sensed, you can simply unplug the cord right here and then plug it back in. We want to make sure that the box that we see on our screen is properly fitted around the model. You can adjust it by just moving your fingers out to make it larger, or pinching your fingers to make it smaller. So I've got a pretty good box around my model. So I'm going to press the scan button, and you'll see that a white covering starts to appear on it, almost like plaster itself. I'm going to start circling the model, and I'm going to pay attention to the directions that show up on the bottom of the iPad. The scanner needs you to stop every so often so that it can get proper scanning information. We want to keep a relatively even distance from the model as we perform our scanning. You can adjust it a little bit if you need to get close to something. There we go. And once you've moved all the way around your model and you are confident that you've gotten everything you need to see, you can hit the done button, and you will have a model to look at. You can check inside, make sure that your scan didn't have any holes or other miscellaneous debris or objects. This one looks pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the email button in the top right. We're going to type in R for raw scans. This will be set up prior to you receiving your iPad, so you can then just press raw scans and send it on its way. Since we're done, you can close out the app, and we're all good. And that is how you use the structure scanner app.